In this video, you will learn how to change the text direction in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened a Microsoft Excel worksheet and I have changed the text direction of this text. So you can easily change the text direction in Microsoft Excel. Excel has a useful option to change the text direction according to your requirement. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. In this case, I am interested to change the direction of this text. Firstly, I will select that particular cell or multiple cells where I want to make changes. Now, go to Home tab, and under Home tab, you will find the option of Alignment. In Alignment, there is a useful option of Orientation. Click on this down arrow sign. And here there is different useful option. You can use either one of these option, or there is also useful option of format cell according to your requirement. So firstly we will explore this option. For example, I want to change the direction of this text. You can see here this option is angle counterclockwise. If you select this option, you can see here its direction is counterclockwise. Similarly, I will select second one, and again I go to this orientation option and select angle clockwise, then its angle will be clockwise. Similarly, I will select two cells to change their orientation. Select this one and I will select them to rotate text up. You can see here their direction is changed now. Now I want to make according to my requirement. I will select all cells where you want to make changes. I want to make changes in all these cells. So after that, in alignment option, I will go to this orientation option and I will select format cell alignment. Now you can customize their direction according to your requirement. In pop-up window, you will find the option of alignment, and here there is an option of orientation. You have two options. Either you can use this option and select your text direction, or you can make changes in degrees. For example, this up arrow and down arrow sign. For example, here you can see here I have selected 45. If I click here, then its direction will be 60 degree, and if you click here, its direction will be 45 degree. You can also write manually here. For example, if I write 60, then you can see here its direction is automatically selected 60. If I change it to 45, I click here, then its direction will be 45 degree. So after selecting desired angle, click on OK. Now you can see here text direction is changed and it is now tilted at 45 degree angles. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.